Well, good morning, coasters. Hey, Sunset Point. Through the mist over there is Westland Dairy, so I'm looking up the river. That line you can see is the Hokitika Bridge. The river's in a good flood, no doubt about that. So here's the Hokitika River mouth, veering to the south at the present time, building up quite a sand spit. Now you'll recall it wasn't that long ago when the river was roaring around here. Now full tide's at 11 o'clock-ish. Be interesting to see, I think. Now let's see, she's very, very dirty. Now for those that haven't been following the build-up of sand along the beach, it continues to build up. No doubt the sea will come and take it away again at some stage, but in the meantime, really good. There's south side over there. And the Hoki Bridge. There's a few good logs coming down here, so, and it's still raining in the hills. So watch this space. We'll catch you later.